Welcome to Lesson 7. In the first part of this lesson, we are going to revisit interactions between cabin crew and passengers. And in the second part, we will look at linking words. Polite and proper interaction is important by the cabin crew. After all, the cabin crew members are the ambassadors for the airlines and the people, apart from their travelling companions, that they spend the most time with on the flight. In the next part, you are going to look at the questions and write down the letter of the best response. You have about 2 minutes. You can also download the handout as well.
Right Beat Radio.
Here are the answers. Number 1, C. Number 2, C. Number 3, C. Number 4, B. And number 5, B. And now let's look at linking words. Linking words are words that show the relationship between one idea and another idea. Linking words have a variety of functions. For example, they can show the time order of information, contrast information, add information, and show cause and effect. Here are a few linking words. So, by, in order to, and, unless, until, then, and for. In the next part, with the words at the top, you are to complete the sentences. You have about 2 minutes to complete the task.
Right Beat Radio.
And here are the answers. Number 1. I haven't studied for this exam, so I feel a little nervous. Number 2. Do not do anything unless you hear from me first. Number 3. Since I was really tired, I took a nap for 30 minutes. Number 4. Although she likes to play basketball, her favourite sport is badminton. And number 5. As it was so hot outside, I wore shorts. Well done. That is the end of Lesson 7 and the end of the course. Remember to look at our website www.wisechoiceeducation.com and follow us on Twitter @wisechoiceedu and lastly on Facebook, Wise Choice Education. And thank you so much for taking this course.